this. In this guide, I will show you how to send money from the UAE TapTap Send. Before making a transfer, you need to verify your account. Upload your Emirates ID to verify your account. This step ensures security and compliance with regulations. Now, you have two options to pay your money transfers. First one, connect your bank account. Access your online banking and enter your username, customer ID and password to connect your bank account. TapTap Send uses Lean, a secure third-party platform. To link your UAE bank account, follow the instructions specific to your bank to link your account. And once connected, TapTap Send Limited may be added to your list of beneficiaries of your bank platform. Your bank may send you a text message or notification to confirm the transaction. Or you can, secondly, use a debit card or salary card. Follow the provided instructions to add your payment card. Ensure you use a compatible card, and once successfully added, you can securely use it to send money. Just know that TapTap Send does not charge fees, but some salary card issuers may apply transaction fees. So check with your card issuer for their specific fees. For example, Mashrak Bank may temporarily charge 3 AED to your card when adding it to your TapTap Send. Within 30 days of your first attempted transfer, you'll need to have a proof of address document verified. This additional step ensures compliance with regulations and further enhances security. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.